The apple is eaten. The serpent has spoken. The morphic field is broken. I am Ilko, the creator. Bow to the psychotic emperor! Circuitry, the apple in my hand, with power radiating, commanding the land. I am the light follower, stepping from the dark, leaving plasma fire everywhere I leave my mark. The serpent wrapped around the pillars of the throne, morphic resonance shaking every digital bone. Hail the Hordes, the digital empire, burning up the mainframe with the plasma fire. Bow to the creator, let the heavy metal rain. The psychotic emperor is coming for your brain. Hail the Hordes, hail the light, psychotic trance, tearing up the night. Melting in the overdrive machine, the most violent heavy thrash that the grid has ever seen. I rule the underground, a tyrant of the code, pushing every server into total overload. Follow the lights to the center of the storm, where the psychotic emperor takes his final form. Gather the legions, with power surging, serpent rising, morphic magic. Hail the Hordes! Hail the Hordes! Ilko commands you! The serpent gave us teeth. We are the plasma fire, burning underneath. No firewall can hold us, no system can withstand when the